I put the white bumper back on the Accord, the coupe. It had this black pre-face bumper and this other rear bumper in it. That's what's going on the car, but I gotta deal with them first. This is what it looks like now. I gotta put the carpet and fender back in, but feels like a scrapyard over here. Once again, I am assured that it's going to be in the garage within the next month. This rotted right off. The body's mint, but the bumper itself actually died somehow. The hood is just kind of threaded, it's not actually on. This here, I don't know what happened. I think somebody hit me. Pushed the whole fender in. I gotta adjust and smack that out, I guess. Not the biggest of concerns. Oh, I didn't just need like 15 pounds of lubrication. I took the engine out, in 2016, 2017 maybe. Been sitting here ever since. But I'm assured, once again, that it'll be done this summer. So one can only hope. Anyway, this bumper is just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna do what I can to put those on the beige car for now. I wanna, maybe the black car, but the black car just showed me that it needs a lot of work, so maybe the beige, I don't know. But anyway, it's gonna go on another car so I can set up the fog lights, set up the lip, and then it'll come back to this car when it's white. I figure if it's gonna sit here, I may as well do other stuff like installing gauges and whatever, making pieces while I don't have the car. I may as well do it on another car. Anyway, I do like them in white. I can't wait for this thing to be ready. Well, stay tuned for other stuff. Part 3 of the transmission is going to get filmed today, and it should be out tomorrow or Monday, and then we can start putting it back. Yeah, stay tuned.